Every time I try to start one of these videos, this is exactly where she is. Every time.
Oh, baby.
Say hello.
Come here.
Say hello. Say hello. Hi, everybody. We're back. We're back, right? Let me put this over here. Yeah, go ahead and talk to the people. No, don't lick it. Say hi, guys. We're back with, what is this, number 4? What's sold on eBay? I think it's number 4. Yeah. Yep, it's number 4. It's number 4. Number 4.
7 years ago.
All right. So this week we had $573.39 in total sales. If anybody can explain to me why I come back in this list and some of the information isn't updated until like a week after, would really love to know. Because the first thing that we're looking at is a Prometheus limited edition cigar box that I sold for $30, and for whatever reason, eBay likes to say that I sold it for $0, which is not what actually happened. So yeah, that's a little frustrating, but we're just gonna go ahead and crank through this. Jordan is with us today. Say hello.
Hello. Finally.
And then we're gonna, finally, after I've spent the last 15 years of my life working, we're going to go ahead and plow through these and see what the profit was for the week. Definitely a better week than it was last week. Last week was very, very slow. I'm not saying that this week is ideal either, but it's definitely a step in the right direction compared to other things. So we got rid of the cigar box that we had $30 sales for. $7.55, I guess, was the selling costs. I don't even know if they're factoring in their fees yet at this point, but all said and done, I'll probably make about a little over $20 on the box. The second thing we got is this Matchbox die-cast truck. Sold it for $6.99 free ship. This was part of one of those lots that I bought for $5, so pretty much everything that I make from these cars is just going to be pure profit. After fees and shipping, we were left with $2.64. Yeah, I know. Take it all the way to the bank. Oh, another Star Wars action figure, you guys. Sold over $638, $377 fees, $261 is the take home. Johnny Lightning. I recently bought a big lot of used cars. It was like somebody's grandpa's car collection, and unfortunately he passed away. But I guess they didn't want the cars and they needed quick cash, so I ended up buying like over 73 cars from them, and I think it was $160. And a lot of people on eBay, in my groups and all of that, for Facebook, they were saying how they thought that it was just way too much. But after I was done listing all of the cars that I had, I probably had over $1,000 worth of cars, because not all of them were little like this. There was some pretty bigger ones, and some of them are listed for like $100, some of them $50. So I'm not going to lose money on it. This came from that lot, so we only netted, $2.76, but it's $2.76 closer to being in profit on that lot. So I'm going to take it. And this is another one from there. Sold that one for $7.99. We had $4.89 in fees and ship, and then $3.10 was the net. Another Star Wars action figure for $7.99, right?
Yeah.
Nah, this one was $8.15. It's tough to keep track of what's what, because there's no line here. They should really put a line here or something like that. eBay, make it happen. $6.94 was the take home for the Star Wars action figure. Run DMC shirt. I have to send this out today. I'm a little frustrated with eBay because it's I changed my handling time to one day and not same day, and this person ordered it, but I guess this was still same day, so now it's giving me a late shipment notice on my thing, and I'm just like, you're ridiculous. But we sold that for $11. Is that what I sold it for? Yeah, $11. Haven't shipped that out yet, so this will change, but we'll probably net I don't know, $6, something like that. Another GI Joe, 11.99. This stuff goes like slowly but surely kind of stuff. Like, I don't mind selling it, but like it's just really excruciating to deplete this inventory. 728 was the take home after fees and shipping on that. Sold one of these diffusers that we got from some guy that was moving out of Jordan's old apartment complex. We just took all of the stuff because he didn't want it. I was like, okay, we'll use it, and now we're using it to sell on eBay. So, I don't think I have to ship this one out today too. But all said and done, I'll probably make like $8 on it, something like that. This one was funny because I put it on the scale, and it was literally 15 ounces, 15.9 ounces or something like that. Or maybe even 15.8, but it was really close to a pound, and I really wanted to get it under a pound so that I could send it first class. And I ended up getting it to like exactly 15.9 ounces or something like that. I had to like trim one of these poly bags like to the point where it was so bad, but I made it happen, and it saved me a couple bucks in the end, which made this a little bit more profitable. So gotta do what you gotta do. After fees and all of that, it was $736 that we made off that. We had a Grumpy t-shirt that we sold for $16.99. Oh wait, no, I took a best offer of $15 on that. $5.99 shipping fees, and we were left with $9.01. Then we had this mini, like, it's like a crock pot thing, but you use it for like cheese and chocolate, just for like fondue and stuff. Sold that for $16.99 free ship. I was able to cram that baby into a padded flat rate, and I reinforced it a little bit with other bubble wrap and stuff like that. I think that went to Hawaii, and that we picked up for 50 cents. So we took up $8.65, so we made about $8 on that one. GI Joe Cobra, $21.39 was the selling price, $5.39 shipping and fees, $16 total take home. That's pretty good actually for one of these little guys. Another dream tent. We bought these at Bed Bath & Beyond for $4 a piece on clearance, and we bought like 20 of them at the same. So we've got 3 of these left. I'm actually really surprised that they all sold. And I got $21.62 for that. Selling costs $10.13, so our net is $11.49, and we paid $4, so we made like $7 on a $4 investment. So that's cool. These I've had for well over a year. I have another pair of these too, but for whatever reason they just did not sell the way that I thought they were going to sell, and because I held on to them for such a long time, and I guess the style just kind of went out of style, less people want them. So they've sat around for forever, and at this point I'm just trying to like get my money back out of them, and I'm pretty sure that's basically what happened. Sold them for $29. Shipping and fees was $13.93, and I got $15.07. I think I paid less than $14, but I did not make very much at all on those things, and I definitely will not be buying Under Armour cleats anytime soon. Did I just fuck this up? No. Okay, I'm good. Pardon my language, my French. This is another one from one of those from that big car lot that I was telling you guys about before.
Fast and Furious car.
Yeah, kinda actually. They're pretty cool actually. $34.99, took a best offer on it, $12.85 to ship and fees, and then we were left with $22.14. Again, I'm just kind of trying to get rid of them so that at this point the unit is in profit. One of these cars is worth like $100 that I have on there, so as soon as that one sells, I mean the whole lot will pretty much be pure profit at that point. All right, what else do we got? We got this Star Wars one we sold for $38.99, $8.20 fees and ship, and then $30.79 is the take home on that. That's pretty good for a little Star Wars thing. This actually came in that lot of the cars that I got. So we sold that for, I think somebody paid full price for that. Yeah, $46.81, $13.09 for shipping and fees, $33.72 is the net sales. Yeah, so that was a pretty good one. This one too, I actually got this. I bought like a lot of different stuff from this one garage sale in a lot deal a while back for $80, I think. And there was some pretty high ticket items that I got out of that, and this was definitely one of those like good throw-ins that I just kind of was like, can you throw this in at the last second? Well, we got $48.99, took a best offer on it. $11.73 was the shipping and fees, and then we were left with $37.26. This one I actually picked up from Walmart. I picked this up last weekend, I think. It really didn't take much time to sell at all. That's kind of why I like doing Walmart retail arbitrage, because it's like anything that's like new from Walmart, if it's not on sale in somebody else's area, it's probably practical for you to flip it. So picked that up for $40. Sold it for $104.99 with free ship. $27.41 to ship plus the fees, and we were left with $77.58 minus 40, which means that we made about $37.58 on a $40 investment in about a week's time. So I'll take that every day of the week. And this is the last one. This one is definitely the best sale for this week. This,
That's cool as heck.
yeah, it really is. This is a Porsche Inter Compressor, and it does not have the cigarette function that the majority, pretty much all of the listings that I saw for these had. Instead, this one actually connects to an actual battery with a black and red prong, which you can see there. But this guy gave me a best offer of, I believe, like 100. Yeah, it was $100. And then I think after the taxes and all of that crap, it came out to 107. But then the selling cost $11.49 to ship it. And then we were left with $95.51. I picked that up for $5 at a garage sale. So that was pretty good. But now let's see what the actual net sales was. I want to take the $29.99 minus the $7.55, and I'm gonna factor that in there because I'm just not gonna not factor in the cigar box, because I will be, that'll be updated, and I want to include it in the actual numbers because it was a sale. I just don't know why that's doing what that's doing right now. But this is the worst part, is just tallying up all these little denominations. $7.36. $7.26. $433.62 out of $573 in total sales. So let's see. I just really quick just want to check for the sake of the argument how much of a percentage the shipping and the fees actually is out of the total sales. It's about 25% or so. So yeah, $433 for the week. That's definitely not too bad, but I definitely want to get it, higher than that, because
Just think of it this way: there's somebody out there who's working like 40-something hours a week at a certain amount.
Well,
of
yeah,
time,
I could go out and I can get a $10 an hour job and
Yeah.
do that for 40 hours a week, or I can sit here and
and
hang
have
out.
to worry about the stress and all the drama.
And hang out with my pile of stuff and Harley the flipper pit. But yeah, well, thank you guys for joining us this week. I think I need a drink of water on that note, but
Finally have a day off to do this.
yeah. Yeah, so we're going to work on some stuff today. We're going to go out and try and enjoy some of the day, because it's one of the very few that she gets off.
Maybe because Saturday I get off finally, but it's
Well, then we can go garage
Garage sailing,
sailing
yep.
on Saturday, and then
Yep.
we'll have the GoPro. So yeah, that'll be fun.
For
So
once.
yeah, so Jordan will be out in the trenches with us, and we'll be looking for some stuff. Still working on Amazon private label. What did you guys find this week? I'm curious to see what your best find of the week was. Mine was definitely the Porsche Inter Compressor. With that being said, hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Keep selling strong, and I'll talk to you guys later.